My clients often reference that they don't know where to put all their stuff. They have limited storage and they just don't have enough time to deal with it themselves. And to make it worse, they feel like they're being judged for living this way. But not on my watch. My name is Jennifer, and in 2018 I created my business Deliberate Decisions, helping clients to consciously create beautiful spaces, visualising them to reflect any lifestyle choice. When we work together, we define what living better organised means to you and your household, creating systems tailored with your habits in mind. I believe there's great value in optimising a space into a haven you love to share. Don't be held back. Life gets messy, your home doesn't have to be.